I want to start off by saying congratulations. Congratulations on considering my course. Your consideration means that you are now taking a passive income seriously. So, whether you choose to purchase my course, congratulations on your evolution and how you think about generating income. In this course, you're going to learn how to use print on demand and drop shipping on one of the largest marketplaces in the world to generate regular paychecks. Together, I'll walk you through the steps of creating your own clothing and apparel store within minutes. I'll show you how you can produce original designs, whether you are an experienced artist or have zero background in art. If this is your very first stop, meaning you've done no prior research before finding this course, I'll teach you why dropshipping and print on demand with Etsy is one of the easiest business models for a new passive income. Of course, we'll look into why Etsy. We're going to compare multiple print-on-demand and dropshipping companies. We'll go step by step through creating your accounts, finding design assets, creating your first design, listing it, and optimizing that listing. Something remarkable about this business model, besides it being a passive income, of course, is that it could be scaled up almost indefinitely, and I'll show you how. This is my first course, and I am pouring my heart and soul into teaching you everything I've learned over the past years. When you finish this course, you'll have the tools you need to get started, and you'll have all the tools you need to continuously grow in this market. On top of the hours of lectures, I've also included free PDFs. These you can use as quick references after you finish this course. Refer back to them at any time to refresh your knowledge. If you have any questions for me, concerns, or recommendations, I'll be highly active in the comments and discussion sections. Feel free to connect with me at any time, and I'll see you soon.